what you really want is teachers who are, again, creating a community of learners where kids are constantly reading, writing, practicing multiple forms of literacy
Right.
together, getting feedback, and using their native language as the tool for acquiring the second language, right?
Exactly.
We call this translanguaging, right?
Translanguage.
Right? And the reason why that's important is because our kids come to us with rich language, language
Exactly.
from home, language from their family that they use with their friends.
Right.
That's what we want to use because when you're learning a new language, you're always translating in your head. And because
Always.
you're not just learning a language, you're learning a culture also, right?
Yes.
So I think that when you have a literacy rich environment, you're inviting kids to bring with them the language from home,
Yes.
the ways in which we talk to each other, the recipes that our abuelita cooks
Yeah.
with, the remedies that we use when someone gets sick, because we're using culture and language to help acquire a new language. And that is so important.